Hello friends, I'm just trying to start a algo as today it was a budget. So I am trying to start this algo at 11:40. Okay, just now I set this algo trader. You can see we are getting a sell signals here. So I just now I run the algo and I'm showing you this video. Okay, here you can see breakout levels. All futures it is giving sell signal. Okay, you can see Nifty and Bank Nifty and futures. Bank Nifty it is very near to our sell levels. You can see Bank Nifty spot it is 65% difference from our sell point. Okay, this is the sell point and this is the active caller sell signal. So we are waiting for this. You can see two trades is been executed here, Nifty and Bank Nifty. Futures we have made a short sell. So I am planning to take a risk of 20,000 and we'll try to trade today this breakout strategy we are following. So let's see for some more time. I hope today it is a risky. I know it is too much risky as today it is a budget day. I can show you this. I am running this live on. This is the Bank Nifty strategy and this is the Nifty weekly strategy. So let's see what will happen. This is the levels today, breakout levels. You can see all sell signal it is showing here, and even in put options we will get a buy signal. You can see call options are all showing sell signal, means in some time you may get a buy call in call put options. As of now two trades are there. Let's see for some more time. Okay, here you can see this is the live trade. Yeah, you can see again live trade is happened here, Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, MIS order is executed. You can see it is clearly showing the trade log here. This is our application which will show the details how the orders is getting placed. Yeah, so what I'll do is now it is showing around 95 profit. So these are the two trades as of now. I'll just try to pause this video for some more time. Yeah, now I resumed this video. So let's see how it will work. Now you can see MTM it is showing around 5,000 profit. As of now only these three trades is executed. Now one more trade executed. This is the RTP levels. I don't want you to see RTP levels now. I'll see only breakout. You can see 35 points difference in Nifty sell and Bank Nifty 123 points downside, and all put option it is showing buy signals now. Here you can see Nifty and Bank Nifty all put options it is showing a buy signal. It is very near to our levels. So here the orders is getting fired. You can see all put options now purchased. Okay, total MTM is around 4,500 now. So I hope we'll not make a 20,000 loss today. Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, you can see continuously orders is getting fired. Yeah, even put options like you can see all it is executing at market price. So I hope this budget will not make me loss. I know I generally not take a risk at budget times, but today I am taking a risk. Let's see for some more time. Now it is 11:50. So my plan is to end up this trade by 12:30 or 1 o'clock, because maybe after 1 o'clock market may again reverse uptrend. So before that I will try to book the profit. Yeah, now you can see time is around 12 o'clock now. It is showing 9,000 profit, and I believe if the market still continues the same thing, it may still further give a correction. You can see 9,670 it is showing plus now. One moment, I'll show the orders in broker terminal. Execute. Yeah, here you can see all the things is executing. Chart will, let's see the chart how it is falling. 60 points, maybe it may go up to 200 point down also today. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, let's see the chart. Yeah, it is loading slow. I think still market may come down. In budget time generally it will come down. So let's see. Trades are been executing here. You can see all waiting for stop loss and targets. Like, and after entry you will get to see this kind of messages here. Okay, no, still 1800 profit. I'll do one thing, I'll just try to pause this video some more time. Now it is 12 o'clock 8 minutes, 6 minutes. I'll make some, yeah, now you can see 12 o'clock 17 minutes. So 20,000 I'm getting now. Anyways, my risk reward, it is giving good result. You can see 100 points, yeah, falling down. Okay, let's see the bank Nifty. Okay, as I said, still it is falling down. Maybe I'll take another 10,000 risk. Oh, came down again. Let's see what is the profit. 18,000. Okay, I'll try to wait for some more time. Let's see. Now it is 12 o'clock 18 minutes. 14,000, it is 42,000 I'm getting. You can see difference. Okay, these levels are all same, and you can see selling levels. It was 460 and now it is 322. Almost our second target. Where was it? Yeah, here 322, 321. Yeah, it has already touched our targets. So it is better safe to book the profit. Okay, see what is MTM. 49,000. Okay, 58. No, it is 58. You can see all targets is closing on the target reached. You can see target is getting reached. Yeah, you can see it was waiting for stop loss and target. Now it is targets reached. Here you see all targets is reached. Okay, closed on reaching target. Okay, so better I'll close these positions now. 56. Okay, I believe this is enough for the day. What shall I do? Because budget time, maybe it may change to 1 lakh also, but I don't want to take risk. 52 it is showing. Yeah, see how it is falling. Yep, my prediction went correct today. Bank Nifty again, but I think again it will recover, so better not to take much risk. As my targets are also reached, I'll come out of this trade. I'll wait another 5 minutes. Let's see. It is 69. Okay, cool. You can see the difference. Okay, and this is the breakout levels, and you can see where was the sell levels, and it is not changing anytime. Okay, it's a complete same strategy for the whole day. Now it is time to 12:20. Better to exit this position. 58,000 is enough. I'll stop this recording now. Thank you.